Hello, my name is Caleb Atencio. In Week 8 of Science and Society, we covered evolution on our planet. In the history of our Earth, organisms have been known to adapt and change through their surroundings. For example, birds of the same origin have been known to have different types of beaks regarding their surroundings and available food. Birds with stronger and sharper beaks were known to eat nuts, and birds with smaller and less sturdy beaks were known to eat berries. As for humans, we have evolved on this Earth at a rapid rate. One example being our brains. In the past 3 million years, there is evidence that the human brain has increased in size at a rapid rate. This has helped us in our human condition to develop solutions to ensure survival on our planet. This leads us to now, where the future is unknown. With humans facing new dire challenges every day, challenges like overpopulation, scarcity, pandemics, and global warming, we look anywhere for possible solutions. As one of the greatest minds in our current age, CEO of SpaceX, Elon Musk, I choose to look to the stars and other planets to find solutions for these problems. An article done by NBC takes a quote by Elon Musk where he states, "The future of humanity is fundamentally going to bifurcate along with two of these two directions. Either we're going to become a multi-planet species and a spacefaring civilization, or we're going to be stuck on one planet until an eventual extinction event. If this prediction is correct, then we humans either face extinction like many species before us, or we must find a way to survive in space." Along with Musk, physicist Stephen Hawking believes in the idea of colonizing the fourth planet from the sun, Mars. For me, this raises the question, what will human evolution look like on other habitable planets like Mars? Mars is the most viable option in terms of planets for continued survival. This does not mean that it will be easy. Mars is similar in some ways to Earth as well as very different. Like Earth, Mars has gravity and oxygen. Unfortunately for us, it has less of both of these resources. This will likely lead to changes in our body over time. As of now, no one has ever been on Mars, but this idea that it will change our bodies comes from NASA and how space affects us physically. Astronaut Scott Kelly spent a total of 340 days in space, which had multiple effects on his body. Without the gravitational pull on his bones and muscles were weakened. Alongside, the space between his vertebrae made him an astonishing 2 inches taller. Compared to Mars, space has less gravity, but compared to Earth, Mars has less. So these changes could possibly change in our anatomy on a smaller scale. Another change could come in our skin. Mars has higher levels of radiation that reaches the surface. The human body would need to adapt to this drastic change. Many people theorize that our pigmentation will start to turn darker and maybe even orange. It's believed that we could become darker due to more melanin production. The theory that we could become orange is due to the carotenoids. This is the DNA that helps certain plants like carrots, pumpkins. This is the DNA that makes certain plants like carrots and pumpkins orange. This certain DNA helps protect these vegetables from more radiation. So this is what people think will happen to our skin if we were to go to Mars. Alongside with these things, there is going to be an extensive amount of changes that will happen that we can't predict. Thank you.